Hey guys, it's Kana. Sorry if I haven't been uploading recently. Number one, I have been busy with school. Don't mind me, I am a mess. I gotta shave literally everywhere. I gotta do all of this, including down in the neck, here, chin, all here, and then of course, uh, cheek, other cheek, and then sideburns on both sides. So I gotta do that. And also number two, don't mind the lighting. It's dark outside and I have my lamp on. So yeah. Anyways, number two on why I haven't been uploading is because basketball. Haven't had time for that. I mean, not for basketball, but I haven't had time for YouTube because I've been busy with basketball and school. Um, so yeah, and guys, I oh excuse me, I am down south for the Christmas break. I came down. Today's Christmas Day. I came down about a week ago, and I am leaving to go back up north in about 6 days. So yeah, and I won't be back down south till mid-April. So yeah. Um, okay, so for this video, I want to show you guys what I got for Christmas, plus an unboxing and a setup. A set up. So yeah, let me get most of my presents. Okay. Here we go. All right. So, what did I what did I get for Christmas? We're gonna start with the small stuff first, and then we're gonna move on to the big stuff. All right. So for the small stuff, I got was I got me a pack of gum along with a box of gum. This one I have not opened because I'm chewing on this first. So I just want to show you this unopened pack here. So anyways, guys, this is what I got. I got Icebreakers ice cubes, Bubble Breeze, flavored, and then this is Orbit Bubble Mint, and I got me also. I have not tried this yet. This is Oreo Thin Bites Fudge Dipped, the original. This has well, actually, this is the sandwich cookies. Well, not really because this is chocolate, but I got me this today. I got me Tic Tacs. I got me a Anchor, a PowerPoint. This is actually a brick I'll show you what it looks like. Let me just find my. Hold on. I have to use this as an example here, so hold on 1 second. It's kind of like this, but what's actually different is this one actually has two spots to put another this one has a USB connector, but underneath it has another USB connector. So this one has a double USB connector. So yeah, let me go and plug this back. But if you don't get it, I'll explain again. It's the same. It's kind of like the same brick, but what I have here is a one USB connector, like this one here. But what's different is this one has another USB connector underneath. So like if you connect a USB cable here, and if you have another device which also uses a USB cable, you can plug that USB into the other USB connector slot. So yeah, let me go ahead and charge this back up. I'm charging my AirPods here. So I forgot to plug in my computer. Hold on 1 second. There we go. So that's the brick from Anchor. Another one from Anchor is the USB. So this one has the USB cables, the lightning connectors. That's pretty cool. I also got me a travel scope mouthwash by Crest. And I also got me my brother got me this. He got me a shower speaker. It's made by Sylvania. I haven't tested this out yet. But I should probably test this out sometime soon. So yeah. And if you can probably read all of that. See if I can get this to focus a little bit. Alright, you probably get it, but alright. Next one, and this, by the way, this next two is clothing. So I'm going to show you each one. This one I have here is a shirt. This is made by Aeropostale. This one is a stretchy shirt. It's stretchy here at the this part here, like this part. See where my fingers is? It's right like here. This here, like where you can, like that with the. I'm not making any sense, guys. Sorry. Anyways, let me just, you know what? Maybe to make it better, I'll show you. There we go. This part stretches out, which is what a really good feature. I really like that feature because a lot of my shirts that I wear are not really stretchy. So yeah, I really like that feature. So once again, this was made by Aeropostale. The shirt, the stretchy shirt, I can say it right. And this final piece of clothing This is this one is. Hold on, try not to. This one is sweatpants. I really like wearing sweatpants, usually in the winter time, because I hate wearing jeans. Usually in the winter, because it gets so cold outside. So usually these jeans, it's warm. So yeah. When I usually wear sweatpants, it's really a lot warmer. I have like 2 pairs of sweats, or maybe I think it's 1 or 2 pairs of sweats that I usually wear. So yeah. Well, I think I haven't. I didn't post this right. Hold on 1 second. Just do something here. Hold on. I'm gonna have to probably get this situated. You know, guys, I'm not gonna waste my time on this, so it is what it is. So I'm just gonna put this away. I'll get to that another time. So anyways, guys, that was the sweat. Now we're gonna get on to the big stuff. Alright, so let me put this away. Here we go. On to the big stuff. So now we're gonna get on to the big stuff. Before I show you that, I want to show you. I got this like box for Christmas this year, and I want to do an unboxing for you guys on camera. So here it is. This is going to be an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. By the way, this is a Mario Kart 8 Deluxe box that I got from my parents, and I want to show you what it comes with. Oh, if I do that sometimes, guys, don't worry. Don't worry about it. I have my retainers on, so yeah. Let me just. I don't want it to bother me, so hold on a second. Okay, much better. Much better. All right. So, if you can see, here's what it comes with. And I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys right here, right now, as we speak. So, go ahead and I'm going to drop this to the. I'm going to put the camera on the ground, guys. Hold on 1 second. And I might as well turn on the light. In my room, so hold on 1 second. So we're going to do unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So here we go. We're going to do unboxing right here, right now, as we speak. Let's see if I can drop this down a bit more. That didn't work. Alright, so we're going to get to the unboxing. Here we go. So here's what it. So before I show you, here's how it has to go. So yeah. Anyways, guys, here it is. My first ever Nintendo Switch I have ever owned. Okay, here we go. So here, these two here are the Joy-Cons, and I got the neon. This is neon blue, the minus, and then the positive. The positive is the plus and minus. The minus is the neon blue, and the neon red is the plus. So yeah, we can go ahead and put that down there. Here is the Nintendo. Hold on. Here we go. So don't wanna. Hold on a second. There we go. So here is the Nintendo Switch itself. Go ahead and put that down. Put the rest of the other stuff. So there's really nothing else here, so I'm going to go ahead and discard that. Put it on top of my bed. Anything? Okay, so here is the rest of the stuff. So here is, I'm going to do this one first. This one is the HDMI cables. HDMI cables. I'm going to take all these out, guys, so I can set it up. All right. So over here is this is the There we go. I know this is all in it's plastic, but anyways, this is the game. No, this Nintendo Switch charger. Here it is. This right here. Wait, hold on. You know what? Let's do this one first. This is the what does it say on the thing? Hold on, guys. This is the Joy-Con grips. I think they send you 2 of each. I think this one is the grip. And let me see what this one is. Also, yeah, I think this one is also another one. I'm going to put it back in the box, just in case. And let me, hold on, guys. This one is, let's see what this is. I don't know what this is, so I'm probably just going to put it back in the box. Let me put this back in the box. Put it like that. Yeah, I'll just put it like that for now. I'm probably not going to need it, but anyways, here is, okay, so now we're going to get on to this part right here. So right here is just going to pull this out really quick. This is this tells you about the system update. This tells you about the system update, health and safety, all of that. So I'm probably I don't need it. I really do not need that. So all right. So go ahead and put this back there, and I'm going to take this out because I'm going to need it for when I play the game. This is the voucher. This is the voucher of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. And I'm not going to show you the code, so I'm probably going to scratch it off camera. But yeah, so I'm probably not going to do the download tonight. I'm going to probably do it tomorrow. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like when it's unscratched. So yeah, I'm going to take that out, so that way tomorrow morning I can do it. I can do the download. So let's see what this. Ooh, okay. What do we have in here? What do we have in here? This is where I think this is the stand for the, this actually comes in two different protections. This one is the bubble wrap, and this one has is the bubble wrap. This one is the, look at it, it's kind of like cloth, kind of protector. I don't know, but I'll take it out. Let me just hold on. There we go. I'm gonna take. So here it is. Okay. Yeah. So this is where I think you plug in. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this too. I think you have to do it right here. Yep, right here. Let's see if I can do this right. This is where you plug in the. This is where I think you plug in your with this AC adapter. I think that's where you plug in your gamepad. USB, we don't do that. HDMI out, I'm definitely going to be using because I want to keep this in the stand when I'm not playing it. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and close the box up. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and set this up for you guys. So there's the box one more time. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set this up. Go ahead and take everything one by one. Oh, before we get into the setup, guys, I just want to show you this too. My parents, by the way, all these gifts I showed you including the small and now the big ones, the big boxes I got. These were all from my parents. This is I picked. My parents got me this new game called Super Mario Odyssey. Very cool. I wanna try this out. Um, you know what, guys? I am gonna probably go ahead and open this. Maybe. Hold on 1 second. Let me use this real quick to open this. Nah, probably not. I don't want this to go bad. Maybe I'll use my. I don't know. I should probably use my fingers. I don't know, guys. But here it is, Super Mario Odyssey. And one final thing I got is the enhanced wireless controller. And this is the wireless, which is very cool. Here it is. There you go. Show you the back real quick. So yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. Let's see what time it is. 11:03. Alright, so I've been doing this for about a good, I don't know, half an hour or so, maybe closer to 35 minutes. But and then don't want this to run. Okay. There we go. Okay. So we're going about just about 28 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and turn the TV on. Hold on. Yeah, I have to manually. Sometimes I have to manually turn it on. The TV. So, anyways, let's go ahead and plug all this in.
Bigger every year.
Forgot to set the thing here. Sorry. Yeah, you probably can't see that well because yeah, you probably can't see that good because it's bright. Let me see if I can do something here. Do something here. There. Oh, there we go. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this, but we'll see, guys. Alright, so we'll go ahead and plug all this in. Alright, so put the stand here. What I'll do, guys, maybe I'll move this sound bar back here. And I just probably unplugged it. Hold on. Just leave it like that for now. Alright. So we're going to come over here. Okay. And sorry, I'm kind of itchy. Let's move here. Let me go ahead and sort all this out. There we go. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to move this. Hope it doesn't disconnect anything. Yep, it's disconnected the TV. Alright, hold on. That's the TV that just unplugged. Alright, hold on. What I'll do, guys, maybe I'll move this. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Don't mind me. I'm trying to set off this. Trying to get this straight here, so. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. Trying to get this connected, so. Sorry. Let's try this now. Okay, good. I think we already got that fixed. Go ahead and untie this. Try this now. There we go. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go ahead, take this, we're gonna plug it into the back of this. So here, once again, this is where you plug everything in. The new one is wrong. So yeah. So we're gonna go and plug into basically here. And then this is where this is USB, and then down here is HDMI. So we're gonna go and plug in the HDMI next. So all that. So we're gonna go and take this out, take this HDMI out. I know, guys, this is probably boring, but don't mind me, guys. I'm trying to get this done here. So, all right. So, yeah. Okay. So I just unwrapped HDMI cables, and we're gonna go and plug in to this. Oh, lost my mind. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go and plug in to versus HDMI out. That's what we're going to plug in. So that's what we're going to do. Plug in. Yep. Okay. Close this up. Okay. And we're going to plug into the TV. So hold on one second, guys. While I connect this. Oh, I did. There we go. All right, here we go. So now, these next three guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead. Let's do the gamepad first. Put that to the side. We're going to go ahead and take this out of the packaging, and here's what it looks like. Here it is. Kind of looks like a tablet. And then this is where this is for the game card slot, right there. And then this is definitely a stand. This is the stand for it. Yep, this is the stand. And this is where, right here, I don't know if you can see it, but this is where you can place a headphone set in. And then this right here is this little circle thing right there. That's the power button. And then this two switches here, these are your volume buttons. So yeah. And then also down here, this is where you plug in your I forgot what it's called. Sorry guys, I'm going through a brain freeze. This is where you put your switch, which is where you plug in your switch in to charge it up. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and just put these cables away. That should work. There we go. And we're going to now take these two guys out. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. So now guys, this is the actual setup. There it is, Nintendo. I think you just missed it. Nintendo. Switch. So it's telling us to do connect the neon blue Joy-Con to the left side of the okay, and now we have to do the red one. Plug that to here. And there we go. Okay. So now we're going to go through the setup process. So we're going to do English. You know what, guys? Let me bring this back. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. 40 minutes, guys. Sorry for keeping you too long, but I want to try to get this done if I can. Anyways, guys, here it is. So now it wants us to select our language, and I think all we're going to do is hit the A button. Here it is, EPYX, and then yeah, I think we're supposed to hit A for OK. We're going to do the Americas. Just show you what I just did. Yep, so that's what I just pressed. Hold on, sorry. Yep. So now it's telling us to the license agreement. And guys, once I do this, I'm gonna have to probably take this off camera because it wants me to do my Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. So once I hit accept here, so next. So I'm gonna do that off camera. So I'm gonna hit next. It's looking for my Wi-Fi. Yep. So we're gonna set that up. I'm doing this off camera, guys. So hold on. Make sure I'm doing this right. Hold on, guys. It's connecting. Connected. All right. So now wants us to do the time zone. So I think we're supposed to go up. Go up. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah. I think that. Okay. Yeah. Aside from that, guys messed up. Instead of going up, we're going down. Yep. So that's what we're gonna hit. Would you like to connect to a TV and play on a larger screen? Sure. Use the left stick to select next and then press A on the right controller. So I guess I gotta take both of these cons out. See how I can do that. Yep. Oh, look at that. Look at it. It's lit up. Very cool. So now we're gonna hit next by pressing A on this Joy-Con. Switch off. Yep. If plugged in, if you plug the AC adapter into the console earlier, disconnect it. Alright, so it wants us to disconnect the AC adapter thing. Hold on 1 second. Let me go ahead and do that. Hold on. Okay, it's disconnected. "45 minutes, guys. Sorry." All right. So, okay. To connect the dock to your okay, so it wants us to do. All right, so Hold on, guys. I'm going to bring you back to the TV. Hold on 1 second. I don't want to do this. God, I'm losing it. Guys, so there we go. And yes, guys, I'm gonna clean this up. Once I get all this done, I'm gonna clean all this up for tomorrow. So yeah. So this around. Good enough. Yeah, I know, guys, this is too bright. Let me go and shut this off real quick. All right. Shut that off. So it wants us to do this, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Place it right in here. I'm doing this correctly. Hold on. An image should appear on the TV screen. Image should appear. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Turn this back on. See what so it wants us to drop it in here. No, hold on, I think I might have disconnected it. Hold on. We connect this now. Try this out. Guess I'll have to disconnect this. No image on TV screen. Try the following. Show the TV is switched on. Set the TV input to the HDMI input. The number. Check that the AC and the HDMI cable are connected securely. Hold on. That be fixed. This switch. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. So now I have to switch inputs again. Here's the adapter and make sure the dock and the console are facing the same way. Make sure the dock and the console are facing the same way. The front of the dock. Alright, let's try this again. Sorry. connected. Let's see if this works now. Let's try this again. There we go. Yep, it worked. Finally, it worked. There it is, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit success. Here we go. Now it wants us to set our icons and nickname. We're gonna do Mario. Let's do my name. Oh, okay. Link into a Nintendo account. Alright, let me go ahead and do that now. Wants me to link to a Nintendo account. Enables fully. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, you know what? Let me do that. Let's see if I have any access to it. See if I can do that while we're here. System update is required. Yeah. So it wants us to do the system update. Let's see if I can find it. You know what, guys? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this system update tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do that later. So later, additional users can be added if this console is to be one person. Skip it because this is mine now. Parental controls skip. Setup is complete. Press the home button to open the home menu. We're gonna hit the home button. Okay, and there we go. So now it wants us to do the update, which I'll do that tomorrow because it's 11:30. So I've been recording this for almost an hour now. So we're gonna go ahead and stop right here, guys. I'll do this update tomorrow along with the full download of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So yeah. So anyways, guys, I think that's it for today. What's for tonight? So yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. Peace out.